All right, this is where this little baggie comes in. You should have some screws in there. I have a little Phillips head screwdriver. This is a 1 short. There's also a 0s. You can get these in the makerspace. I'm going to grab one of these screws for right now. It's magnetized, so that makes it a little easier. So it's going to go into one of these. It does not go in the center one. It goes in one of the other ones, either the top one or the bottom one. And I'm going to align this over top of the top one here. And where I'm going to put this, let me show you. This screw, is going to go in this center hole here, not the one to the left or right, but here in the center. And then the other screw is going to go into the center of this bottom one. So I'm going to hold this over here, put this on. In fact, I can kind of line it up ahead of time. Just kind of start here. Just gentle pressure. It started, so now I'll swing this around so it kind of locks in place. Turn this. And I'm not going to tighten it all the way down because I need to be able to move this a little bit for the next one. Grab the next screw. Same story, put that on. Turn this so I'm aligning it so they line up. Then that one goes in. And then now I can tighten them down. Tighten both these down. I'm good to go. All right, next step, installing the ultrasonic sensor. So the ultrasonic sensor just goes in here and presses in place. Depending on the vagaries of how this is built, the 3D printing or whatever, you may have a tight fit. If that's the case, great. Put it in there once, you're good to go. If it's loose or too loose for comfort, this one was not, you can take some Scotch tape, just get a little bit here, and put it on one of those little eye sockets. That'll make this a little bit bigger. Put it on both of them, and then press this back in, and that little extra, 1/10 of a millimeter will snug that up a little bit. If it's tight enough already, you can leave that off, and then just get these lined up, press that in, and you're good to go.